In this video, I'm going to show you how you can convert USDC to cash, which is basically fiat or any currency you use, so we can transfer it to our bank account using Kraken. So if you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe and like it. So first of all, we will obviously need to have USDC ready in our wallet. In my case, I don't have any, but I have Litecoin. It's exactly the same process. All you need to do is click on convert, or you can even click on sell. But for example, let's say we want to convert USDC. Right here, just search for USDC. In my case, I will do the test with Litecoin, and right here, just put in your currency, the currency you want to get. It can be dollars, it can be euros, it can be pounds, whatever you want. For example, let's say it's euros, just put it right here. And let's say we want to exchange, I don't know, we want to get 100 euros, just put it like this. Click on review. I'm gonna do this. Right here, you will see the details of this transaction. You can see there is a very small fee as well. And just click on confirm. So this way you will get your fiat or your cash on your Kraken wallet. And now if we want to transfer it to our bank account, we can click on transfer, withdraw. Now go to cash and select the fiat currency you are using, for example euros, and now select the payment method you want to use. So you can get a bank transfer, which is instant. It has a very small fee as well, but depending on the currency you are using, you might find different options. But that's it. That's how you can sell USDC and transfer the money to your bank account using Kraken. I hope it was helpful, and thanks for watching.